looking at us and saying, "What are you guys? Are you?"
Yeah, and we're recording everything.
He's saying, "What are you guys? Are you some kind of person?"
He already knows what people are. Oh my God, that's so cool. We saw 2 deers in one day.
That's what he's saying. What I just said.
Yeah, we saw 2 deers in one day.
Ivan.
What?
This is the mommy deer.
Oh yeah, this is the mommy deer. The other one was the daddy deer.
Because it was bigger and had big horns.
All right, yeah. Wait, what's going on?
Deer!
Deer! Deer!
Deer! Deer!
No, why you? I want to get off the deer.
Now look at the video when he's finished.
See, look at that beautiful deer. A life of a deer.
It looks so cute.
I know, right? It looks adorable. It looks really cool. Yeah, it's like a cute little deer eating some grass. And a bunch of grass. So,
A bunch of grass like our grass, like a bunch.
yeah, he's eating the neighbor's grass. What?
Last time we saw the bunny standing up and eating our grass.
A bunny?
The one was a baby one.
Aw, that's so adorable. Why didn't you catch it?
It was just like this young.
Yeah, why didn't you just take it with you?
Because I wasn't out.
Cause you could have just took it, you know. You should have just took the bird. Yeah, you could have just what am I saying? You should have took the bunny rabbit and kept it as a pet, and then you wouldn't be so lonely and have anti-life depression like I do.
Deer!
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 Deer! Deer! He's like, he's looking at us. He's just be quiet for a minute. It looks like he was just looking at us like, what the heck are they doing? Aw.
Deer!
It's looking at us like, what the heck are you guys? What the heck are you guys doing? That's so weird.
Deer!
Deer! Deer! Deer!
Ivan!
What?
That looks like a horse a little bit.
It kind of does, but it doesn't. Yeah, this is what it looks like from a far point of view. But from this point of view, we're making extra large for you guys. Aw, that's so adorable.
Why?
Yeah, do your magic. Do your deer whatever magic.
It was my expression so because a mosquito might have bited it.
Yeah, it looks like it hurt injured. Look at that bump on its knee. See that bump? And
it looks like it's injured.
not really too much. It just looks like it has. Why is there a big old like white thing on its leg? That normal? That's really weird. There's a lot of animals around here because before there was a bunch of deers, like deers with horns. I think this is a doe. This is a girl deer. So this is not a boy deer. This is a girl one because boys have horns.
And this is a female.
Yeah, this is a female deer. Cause yeah, remember that one time we all saw deers and like we were all like on shock and like, oh my God, there's a bunch of deers. That's what we were like. Yeah, I'm getting a better angle.
Well, one time I saw 100.
Wait.
One time I saw 100 deer that looked like that, and one daddy one in the middle, and he was trying to get past. And then he just knocked them all down and got past, and they
Hey
got
guys, look.
that was good.
Hey guys, look at this. It looks like the deer's trying to hide. Like, I don't want them looking at me anymore. I'm just trying to eat some food. No, deer, we're gonna look at you.
End the video.
All right, thank you guys for watching. We're leaving. Bye. Just look at the deer for a few more minutes. It's really cute. Come Come on.
Come on.
It looks adorable. It looks so adorable.
When this video is done, we have to show it to Mama because she wants to see it.
Oh yeah, the deer. This looks so adorable.
Okay.
Alright, but we don't because wait, is the heck? Alright, we're just gonna end the video in a few minutes. Because we wanna see this deer. I wanna get it on camera. See, looking so cute. And like I just want to keep it for a pet, but I can't because I don't know if it's a child or if it's an adult, because like I don't want to kidnap a child. I'm not a kidnapper. I'm a good person. Oh my god. What?
I know what that is.
What is it? A child deer or adult girl deer thing?
It is mommy adult.
Oh, why does it look like we're outside a little bit? 4K. That looks beautiful. And next few minutes of the video, we're just gonna make it like a few more minutes because we love deer so much. Because we see them less often than usual. So we're just gonna make this into a video. So, Dylan, how do you think the lunch was today? How do you think it was?
Good.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Pretty good. So, what do you? Why is it eating those plants right there? There's plenty of bamboo in the back. So why is it just looking right there? Like that's the only food where there's plants. Dylan, it can't hear you. It can't hear you. Yeah, I can't hold the camera for that much longer, so I'm just gonna put it down like the deer should be, kind of. Alright, get a more view of it. It looks adorable. Doesn't it look cute? Doesn't it look cool and cute though?
Yeah.
I'm so happy we got this on camera. For the next 2 minutes, we're gonna make like a video recording the deer because it's so adorable.
Yeah, it's so adorable.
Yeah, we don't care if it's long. Deers are adorable. I mean, they're cool.
And then show it to my mom.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Alrighty. This looks adorable. Alright, we're ending the video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Psych. We're featuring more deer a little bit.
I did.
Yeah.
The person in garbage juice says psych like that sometimes.
Oh, well, yeah.
Garbage juice is a video.
Wait, look. It is aware we are recording. It is aware.
Garbage juice made a video last year.
Yeah, we have been compromised. Wait, I'm getting a different angle. Wait a minute, I gotta do something. Alright, I'm just gonna end the video here. Bye.